Minister w'ebyamagara ashagatirwa Regional Director wa World Health Organization abebembezi ba district ya Kasese babanze kugiraho urukiko hari Margarita Hotel bwanyimanuko kuzahirwa roro ya Bwera ahibaru kujanjabira abantu abari kutekatekwaho kuba bine ndwara ya Ebola.
So task the district to ensure that your allowances are paid. Because your family is back home there. You're here, but your family is back home there. Your children need to go to school. Your spouses need to eat. And your relatives are your dependents. You need to take care of them. It's a very small amount of money.
Dr. Royce Kabyanga urukurijanza biro ry'abantu abarukuba barwire ndwara ya Ebola ahari Bwera nagira ngo betebekanise kirukumara.
Is holding us here. Otherwise we are self-motivated and we are very much determined to do anything, whatever it takes, to make sure that Ebola does not spread and to make sure that the cases that we get, we really give them the best.
Minister nayongera agira ngo kigumiro kurangirira ngo Ebola tere mu Uganda ahabo kugira ngo mu ihanga rya Kongo kirumu kandi ntiryatana na Uganda.
Even when we no longer have suspect cases, we shall still remain in a response mode because we've already had Ebola confirmed in the country and we cannot declare an end to the outbreak because there is a potential outbreak still on the other side.
They've been trained, they've been equipped, they know very well the procedures to follow, and most importantly, they're very committed to doing their work. This is what they assured the Minister and I, and all I can say is that we appreciate the investment that's gone into making sure that the system is.
Obwa hate ndwara ya Ebola mu Uganda yamazire kubane yitamwe abantu babiri abari mu mwana w'emyaka 5 no mukuru w'emyaka 50. Omugandi mukuru w'ebyamagara mu district ya Kanungu agizirengwe rwaro rya Matande rutwire rya harurengo rwa Health Center ya kabiri ryahereze kutunga miliyoni 500 kuhindurwa Health Center ya kashatu. Eshi kitwire kiriye cyetengo cy'abantu ba Matanda ahibatwire myaka yona batakatunga girwaro rya Health Center ya kashatu omugombora yona. Aba Uganda Death Network bagizireho urukiko orubashwizimire by'amagara mu district kandi bashangire ngo hariho bwetaje ubuhango kuhindurirwa rureri Health Center ya kashatu ahabo kusiya abantu obuhereza burungi.
This funding is still rated as a Health Center 2. I don't know whether you have already upgraded it, but that one is a challenge. Ukana teka obundo bumwe atire structure very soon because of that refugee influx. The funding will be upgraded to Health Center 3 facility level.
Tuineyo camp yempunji. Yokushange mpunji mzazi kanyo and they need service delivery. Yes, they have their services in the camp, but they use the what? The Bakolesa facility equipment Matanda. So, we had to take it up. Government nekora indicators.
The government released the money to upgrade Matanda Center to Center 3 level. And this is covering Chi sub-county.
Matanda negomborerwa abantu benji kandi obwa hatizire munempunju kuruga Kongo ezitandikire kombekerwa kampu yo kuturamu. Gasha kwa Gerbert Muhanguzi hamwe na Weza Wilfred.